Since 2012, Cubert has been a leader in hyperspectral imaging. Headquartered in Ulm, Germany, they made the short trip to Stuttgart to show off their latest developments at the Vision 2024 conference.
Today we brought two nice cameras. One is our drone camera, the ULTRIS X20 Plus, designed for any drone applications from agriculture to forestry to ecosystems. And the other one is the ULTRIS XMR, which is a camera that is designed really for live tracking and complex monitoring issues.
The ULTRIS X20 Plus comes equipped with a second camera that boosts spatial resolution.
The ULTRIS X20 Plus is special because it extends the ULTRIS X20, which is the large camera body here, with a second camera, so making it a dual sensor unit. And while the spectral camera, the X20, covers 350 to 1000 nanometers in 164 bands, the pan camera only takes one band, but with a much higher resolution. The entire gimbal is connected via Skyport to the drone. We are gathering the GPS data for each single image. And the nice thing is that on DJI's controller you can see our software running live. So this makes acquisitions really easy. Here we are with our brand new ULTRIS XMR. This camera is special because this is the first hyperspectral snapshot camera that reaches a native resolution of 1000 by 1000 pixels. But the thing is, in more than 60 spectral bands, covering the entire veneer range. And the nice thing about this camera model is it's USB 3, so it's super fast, running with up to 17 Hz, which means 70 frames per second. With frame, we mean entire data cubes, right? And it has an integrated relay optics, which allows to mount different lenses onto the lens. And also to mount this camera on other optical systems like microscopes or endoscopes, so very important for biomedical applications.
The ULTRIS XMR camera also comes with new software for a fast, high-resolution image live. To learn more about these cameras and other products from Cubert, go to cubert-hyperspectral.com. You can also email Cubert at sales@cubert-gmbd.de.